Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be you watching me transform from this to this. So today I'll be starting with my e.l.f. hydrating primer and my little spoolie brush, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and brush my brows in place. Then I take my Auto Lip NK. I don't really know the name of it because I got it from the beauty supply store, but I just fill in my brows. And then I take my RK, I think it's Ruby Kisses or something like that. I'll put it in the description box. And fill in my brows again just to get that extra, Then I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut, and I go ahead and fill in one top and one bottom, because when I do both top and bottom it usually looks like a little bit of a clown to me. So I don't know, maybe I just haven't mastered the art of concealer. Afterwards, I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey, and I use that as a base or a primer, whichever you prefer, for my eyeshadow. And it doesn't really matter how I get it on, I just put it on and make sure it's there. Then I use JCat Hollywood 24 eyeshadow palette, and I take the bottom color, which is this pretty little orange that you see putting on. And I don't know if it's because I don't use a lot of the LA Girl Pro Concealer that the color doesn't pop, but I don't know. So I just go over it and over it and over it again until I get my achieved color. Now going back into the same JCat Hollywood eyeshadow palette, I then use this little soft pink to go ahead and put that on the bottom of my eye. And then I just keep adding until I get the perfect that I like. Then I take this other brush and I just basically go ahead and buffer it all together. Blend, buffer, same thing. Going back into the eyeshadow palette now, I use this little yellow. Now I must tell you, you are gonna see me putting on quite a bit of this yellow because I couldn't get it to come up like it usually does. And then I remembered that I never got it to show up because I used the Reveal 2 palette in this pretty gold color here, and I just apply it as I need it. And this is how it looks. Then I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey again, put it under my eyes, around my mouth, my nose, and that little forehead part at the top. And then I take my beauty blender and I just blend and blend again until I get my desired blend. Making sure to get it just about all the way gone so that it doesn't look absolutely ghostly under my makeup. And I use my brush that I got from Shop Miss A with my Sephora foundation in the color Deep. And I don't like to put on too much, so I just do one to the forehead, a pump on the left side and the right side, and then I just blend it together so that it doesn't dry really quickly and then I look like cake face, if that makes sense. So yeah, like you would do your concealer or your eyeshadow or however you do it, just blend until you get your desired look. Then I'm going to take my MAC dark pressed powder and my e.l.f. brush. I think it's a blush brush, but I use it for whatever I'm feeling that day. And then I just apply. Then I use my BLISS highlighter and my e.l.f. brush, and I go ahead and apply that to my two cheekbones and my nose area, I guess you could say. So now I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just buffing it out so that it doesn't show up as bright. Then I'm going to use my ISlay lip liner. I'm not sure of the exact color, so it'll be in the description box. And I line my lip. Then I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the color Trust Issues and I apply it. So now that I've applied everything that needs to be done just about, I take my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Spray and I just spray it. And here's the easiest part. Now I'm kind of just wasting some time waiting on it to sit in. And y'all, look at this highlight though. Now I know you're probably wondering, okay, where's her mascara? I forgot it. So here's my mascara here, guys. It is the Power Lash Mascara. I actually found it in my local beauty supply store and it just happens to be great. So that's what I used. So as I stated at the beginning of this video, I am in no way, shape, or form a makeup artist. This is just something that I decided to do because it's usually a great everyday go-to glam look for me. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.